guys, today we're at 3D Printopia. We are going to be looking at Mike Wazowski today, the DeLorean, and other things. There's a whole ton of people here. There's 3D Recreator. We got R2D2 that people have been building. Recreator 3D. It's a nice printer made out of all filament and blocks. Got a little TV thingy.
One way. This part, he's like, do you have this part?
We're with Recreator 3D.
Put them together.
And he's such an amazing guy, guys. So you guys should check out his YouTube channel. It's been linked up below.
Out of the block.
I'm going to link up everyone that I've seen here below, guys.
How you got to think about it. Creating just like Legos. You got Lego in front of you. How do I make the house out of these random Lego parts?
We're going to go check out the KB3D things. It's a nice printer. Voron, I think. With the fly gantry. Nice printer. Now we're going around. Look at those printers, some wooden printers. Look super cool. We got this company which makes those. Bulbasaur. We got those. Looks pretty cool. Guitars. 3D modeling. Cookie CAD. Prusa.
Prusa. You gotta go find that guy and take a picture of him.
We got Cocoa Press with this cool little printer. We have West 3D. It's a cool little printer. We have Micro Swiss, LDO Motors with this Voron. We have Frank Builds in the background, guys. We're gonna have Chroma Pen guys today. It's a nice cool pen. Just game over here.
Recording him.
Multicolor with, this isn't the index, this is a different type. But this other one from LDO Motors. It's like a little Voron something, but it's kind of cool. Got all the bearing stuff for the sides, coins, hot end nozzles. That's a weird bed. Diamondback nozzles, some cool nozzles.
It's the ultimate nozzle, right?
We were thinking about that too, and we already talked to them about it. So
Yeah.
When I was at 3D Printopia, I got to meet the 3D printing nerd. He was a wonderful guy. I really like him. I got to also meet the Canuck Creator. He's a nice guy too. Really have you guys look at his channel down below. All their channels. I got to meet Frankly Built. I really liked him too. And I got to meet JRT3D. He's a guy that takes 3D. No, he takes plastic bottles and turns it into 3D printing filament. Which that's some interesting stuff. If you guys want to go check his channel down below. I also got to meet Josef Průša. He's the guy that made the company Prusa, like the 3D printers. He was a wonderful guy. But that's it for today, guys. So check out my next video.